Lieu, I'm from Kinderred. Today I'm gonna introduce to you how to paint an autumn tree using children's handprints and some cotton buds. Beforehand, we painted the children's arms to stamp it on the white piece of paper, which will represent as a tree. And now we need 4 different colors: brown, red, yellow and orange. And my little friends will try to stamp the colors onto the trees, which will make like autumn leaves. This is a fun way to enhance the children's eye and hand coordination, sensory and fine motor skills. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.